Okay. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nina. I run a blog and YouTube called here we go. Here we go with the mess ups. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nina. I run a blog and YouTube called Style with Nina. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if you are returning, you have amazing taste. Here we talk about luxury, beauty, fashion, and travel. If any of those things interest you, go ahead, hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell and be notified of all of my amazing videos. Hopefully, your girl can bring you some more travel vlogs, travel videos. I see a light at the end of the tunnel with this whole pandemic. So, okay, let me go ahead and jump to the video. Okay, you guys, I am so excited. I'm so excited. So on today's video, I am bringing you guys a blind buy. I literally saw the fragrance, saw the bottle, and was like, add the cart. So I was on Misa Hylton's Instagram, and she posted that MCM was coming out with a new fragrance. So I said, okay. She showed the bottle. I was like, oh, I gotta add that to my collection. So the bottle came in. I'm trying to get this out and be one of the first ones out with the video. So the bottle came in, I want to say 2 days ago. It's already sold out, but I can't open the box. What is happening? And this is the bottle. Really cute. I'm trying out a new lens, so we're going to see if this lens works for me. So that is the bottle. I mean, that is the packaging, which I already love. If you like me, you know I'm a girl of the 90s. MCM was that thing. MCM was like Louis Vuitton is to us. People who are into, you know, urban music, who loved us some Biggie Smalls, who loved us some Lil Kim, who Misa was her stylist. So anyway, MCM was that thing. So let's see. Love the container or whatever's. Like I said, I bought it just because of the packaging. I even like the box. I feel like the box is amazing. So let me show you guys the packaging. And if I can link it, it will be linked in the description. It's a 1.7 fluid ounce. And let's go ahead and pull it out of the box so you can see why I absolutely loved it when I saw it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's so cute. Look at it. It looks like a little MCM. I got on too much. Can you even see it? I got on the, I guess I was, you know, dressing to try to coordinate with it. But look at it, you guys. It looks like a little MCM backpack. It is so cute. Can y'all see it? I hope so. It's so cute. Oh my god. I love it. I love it. It is so cute. Now let's see what it smells like. Because like I said, I just bought it because of what it looked like. I'm trying to figure out where I can spray it. It's already, let me spray it in front of my arm. Let me let it dry down a little bit. It's so cute. Like, it is just, it's adorable. Like, it can smell like farts. And I don't know if I believe that in there. But I mean, for real, it can smell like whatever. And okay, it smells like something I've smelled before, if that makes sense. So I would say that it's not a unique scent, but it smells good. So it is actually something that I can actually wear. So I'm gonna go ahead and read the notes to you. It's called, the name of the fragrance is MCM, the New Fragrance. That's what it's called. And I literally just bought it, like I said, for the bottle. So hopefully you guys can see it. I would definitely add a close-up on my Instagram, so make sure you guys are following my Instagram, which is the same name, Style with Nina, and I'll have a picture up for a close-up if you guys can't see it here. But okay, so the notes are vibrant raspberry and apricot, that's the top note. Hand-picked jasmine, jasmine is in a lot of fragrances. White peony and violet leaf, that's the middle note. And then vanilla and sandalwood is the base notes. And like I said, it smells good, but it smells, it's not a complicated or complex scent. It is just kind of a everyday scent. So again, my first impression, it kind of smells fresh, and you know I like fresh scents, so that's why it is something that I would definitely wear. I don't know the wear test, you guys. I don't know if you want me to come back, which I can. So what I'll do is, I'll show you guys the time. Can you see the time? I can't get up. It is 4:40. And what I'm going to do is, I got a couple of videos to record, and then I will come back and let you know as far as the wear. You know, does it fade quick or anything like that? But again, you're buying it just because, look how cute that is. Like, it's adorable. I'm literally going to buy another one just because that's how cute it is. Like, this is something that you could literally when the bottle is empty, you can kind of use this like as a charm or something. It's just, you know, a purse charm. It's that cute. So again, I'm gonna be back in a few minutes. Let me go ahead and record the other videos. And as far as price is concerned, I can talk to you guys about price. Okay, so the price costs, the perfume costs $80, which I think is actually low for how cute the bottle is, if I'm being honest. It is a 1.7 ounce. $80, you know, it was free shipping, taxes. I live somewhere where the taxes is high, so I know that I was all in at $90 max. I think it was like $87. So definitely worth it, like I said, just as a collector's piece. If you like a traditional MCM logo, which I do, before MCM, do we want to talk about how MCM was that thing when I was growing up, and now it kind of faded into like what Coach was, and now it's coming back, in my opinion. I know that has a lot to do with Misa, Hylton's creative. She does something in the creative director. Let me see if I wrote it down. So she's the global creative partner for MCM. And I know that has a lot to do with why, like a few years ago, I was like, MCM is looking fire. Let me get this, let me get that. And before, I wasn't even looking at MCM. So I know that she, with her Black Girl Magic, had a lot to do with, you know, the rebirth, the reemerging of MCM, taking it from, you know, your hood you know, the hood person's wear to, I feel like she's making it a little bit more classy. So if you want to learn more about Misa Hylton, you should watch the remix of Hip Hop and Fashion on Netflix. It's called The Remix Hip Hop and Fashion. I'll try to link it below if I can. I'll definitely leave the name of it so you guys can watch. It is an amazing documentary on hip hop fashion, Dapper Dan, black fabulousness. So anyway, I'll be back in a minute to show you guys or tell you guys how I feel about the longevity of the fragrance. So okay, I will be back. Okay, you guys, so I am back to give you my final thoughts on the MCM fragrance and all of that good stuff. So again, the notes I read off earlier, and what it says is, so the notes again were vibrant raspberry and apricot. That's the top note. And then the middle notes are hand-picked jasmine, white peony, and violet leaf. And then the base notes are vanilla and sandalwood. So again, the fragrance is not something that I would say is unique, but I will say that it is a nice everyday scent. And I will say that I think it has lasting power. It has been on for a couple of hours and I can still smell it. So usually when you kind of know if a perfume is going to be long lasting if within 2 hours. If you can still smell it in 2 hours, to me, you got your money's worth when it comes to fragrances. This is a Parfum, Eau de Parfum. It's not a toilette. So I would give this a thumbs up. I think I am going to buy another one. I think one is going to be for me to wear every day, and then the other one would be for me to keep as a keepsake, just because I think the bottle is very, very cute. And yeah, so that is the bottle. Very, very cute. You cannot see it with the lens that I have on. It's showing blurry, so I'll make sure I'll leave some pictures. I was going to put some on my Instagram, which I am, but because it is blurry and I did not change the lens, I will go ahead and add some along with the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions, leave it down in the description. Let me just make sure that I went over everything with you guys. Yeah. So that is my first impression. My first impression is it is a good impression. I like the scent. I will be wearing it. The dry down does smell a little different than when you first spray it. That's with all fragrances. But again, it's not unique, but it smells good. Again, I bought it for the bottle. So the fact that it smells good is just a bonus. So let me know if this video helps. If you have any questions, leave them down in the description box. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram and my blog. And yeah, that is it. Love you guys.